favorite stories in the Bible is with Jonathan, the son of Saul, and his armor bearer. They are standing together. They're out on their own. I don't know why, but they're out on their own. And they look across the room and they said, "Oh, look." And they start mocking. And they said, "Hey, come on up here. We want to show you something."
Yeah, come on up here. We want to show you something. We want to tell you something. You know what? We did upload a video here before, Upload it in a nice little vloggy nice. You know them sweet video there and thing with music and stuff. One bag of copyright come up on the video about with the music them. I'm say, yo, that's not me. I like for talk. I'm like, my channel is about Jamaica. Even if I showcase other things, I have to put my Jamaicanness into it. You understand me? So this video, I change it up. I just delete that one half of YouTube. I know someone will probably see it and I say, oh yeah, things change up. Yes, things change up, my friend, because right here, so I just gotta be myself. Like that sweet little cute little video they never I never get much views anyway. So anyway, when I don't talk about that, I'm gonna talk about this. This is a Sydney Opera House, right? I'm gonna get a little tour at the Sydney Opera House. To God be the glory. It was really enlightening. It really highlighted and showed me some things in my life that, sometimes when your things get rejected, it's the one where God pick. When Jesus say no, nobody can say. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Right, so the man ready that the architect, the first man will come up with the something, his thing got rejected, and some other judges came and them said, "No man, this look good, man. It we need for use, you see me?" But it turned out that some things did go on and thing down at Sydney, and the man did same done with Australia. Him not with Australia, and him never stay for see the fruition of the whole thing. So I saw come now, them say, alright, at least him never get to see, but him left a legacy because him great grandson did go back and go check it out or check out Sydney Opera House and stuff like that. It's sad though, it's sad, but it's a nice little history. See me, right here so now is where the prisoners them did just come Sydney, right there. So yes, my love, look how the something pretty and nice. The view is beautiful. Like, I couldn't get enough of it. No matter how much you see, I just want to see it some more. This is inside of it, right? All the walls and sustain and the roof look good, man. Look really nice. The architecture is top of class. You understand what I say? Up to the time, look good, stay good, strong, every single thing. May I tell you, the building here is just... No wonder it is the world-class building. So we are walk on purple carpet. The royalty we say straight. Anyway, there are royalty. Outside there, so now we'll look over the harbor right there. So we'll look and see what going. Beautiful. I like view it from every angle. Right, so me zoom in on the tile them. Look nice, stay good, everything to the T. Look them, man, jeez. One by one, them go up there and lay them. See, we walk on red carpet now, go inside of the Opera House, and this is how it look inside. They never have no shows going on, but yeah. Right over here, so we are walking a Circular Quay. Circular Quay is a harbour. It is Sydney's one of Sydney major transport area. So say you have a whole bag of something for people look on. It's a tourist area. You can get good transportation, take ferry and so forth and go around and view like beaches and all kind of something. See some aboriginals out there hustle. Nothing a Jamaican alone hustle. See they're hustling going everywhere you go. People have to try and make a little money with the talent when them have and with whatever gift. See me here now on the ferry. So when you ride on the ferry, you can see the harbour bridge back there. So look there, man, look on the view, look how the water pretty and nice out there, cool, and the water just a splash up all in your face. Look good, man. And one beach out there, so right at the Circular Quay, you have restaurants for kill one bag of something for you see. You just travel around and enjoy yourself. Right here is outside of the Circular Quay. This is the famous Bondi beach. Of course, I'm never going to the beach because I'm not sure I'm nasty. But the water was very cool. And me, nah go No, but just dip my foot in the water for sure say me dey go Bondi Beach and for feel good for know say me dey go the famous Bondi Beach. See there? Me all draw art in a sand. One more me need. Me send love out into the universe. Hey. Alright now. So we move on to food right from Bondi Beach. Me say me go try Akai or Akai bowl. Them never have any. So me say alright then me just take a regular sandwich, egg and bacon. Over here so now we just heading now to the bus stop. We're gonna go downtown. We're gonna go downtown Sydney. We reach now at the market city. Oh, they're pretty. This is not nothing to do with nothing. Me just show no how far in stay. Them have a vending machine for every little thing. See me here in the people them market I talk about one bag of something for the TikTok video. Check me out on TikTok. Well, we got one cute restaurant, my love. Me say me have to look pretty and I have to look rich. Me got a restaurant here. I'ma say look here. Take me some pictures because in here so look good. Look on royalty, gold and purple. Holy Bill. It's a Thai restaurant. I'm gonna tell us the food tastes good. Just know say have a nice money, but you get good portion size. This you don't feel too bad. Cause you know something you go them big restaurant they say a little bit of food. I want to go and right there, so. Just like this one, me I say, yo, this is the Barramundi fish. It is native to Pacific and Australia. I'm serious, I want a long big fish. The people may give me dog. Stop your eyes, man. Yeah, but it tastes good still. So we are travel back now. I just sit up on the top tier of the bus. Come on, to see the view, watch there. But say, can you imagine you go to work and all tired and stressed out and I come back and they drive under this bridge here and you look over there, see you see Opera House and sitting. Oh, with this type of Anita gelato. Tastes good. I'll have to throw one kebab in it because it's well popular in Japan. Right as so, a movie with there. Self-serve. Wakanda Forever. May I move on now to Hillsong. You know how long more I got Hillsong? This is a dream come true. So you know, so me have to send up a lot of prayers. Me can't take one sheet. Me have to send up, take whole heap of sheet for whole heap of prayers. Whole heap of prayers we need. Yeah. And look how the church nice. Them big, pretty church. Yeah. The worship was really good, man. And them cater to the, me like how them cater to the people there. This now a Christmas. Merry Christmas to one and all. I don't say Christmas, I'm just a throw it in the video for showing them a trip round Sydney. New Year's Eve is the place to be. We get VIP ticket for go straight up front, go look and see fireworks. The way over there up front, we said the fireworks all a drop pound way. Alright, stop now and listen to this countdown. Watch there, watch bird. And I let them let out bird in them. The bird they always there up at Opera House. They so well bird in Australia, all over Australia. Look on fireworks, pretty and nice, man. I tell you say it was a very wonderful experience. Happy New Year to one and all. Me nobody come say me late because some people start the New Year February, some start March, some people get a little false start. Cause January.